Beyazout, the rare snowstorm for Oregon, passes in the middle of excessive snow forecast Oregon. Mountain roads and transitions were given a rare snowstorm warning by the National Weather Service on Tuesday and Wednesday due to excessive profit forecasts. 4 feet snow and winds for 55 to 75 miles/h can create whiteness conditions around Cascade Mountain Passes, including Santiam Pass, Willamette Pass and Mount Hood area. The snow is not likely in the Willamette Valley. More Hoodooo Ski Area announced on Wednesday. Blizzard. Beyazout can bring down the falling tree limbs, although snow is estimated during the transitions of Cascade Range on Monday. Blizzard warning comes into force at 4 a.m. NWS. Combination of severe snow and strong winds from time to time will cause white conditions of whiteness on Tuesdays. Strong winds and severe snow can lead to power outages by lowering the tree limbs. Gradually cold and windy conditions will make it dangerous for unprepared. The heaviest profit is estimated over 3,000 feet, while snow levels are expected fall to 1,500–2,000 feet at noon on Tuesday, which will affect the mountain roads and kaskad skirts on the coastal range. Expanded freezing. Effect on I-5. The storm can affect driving even in the Interstate 5 in the South Oregon. In I-5, it is predicted in heights to reach Sexton Summit, and it will probably affect the I-5 Siskoou summit on state line with California. The upper part is that Oregon's mountain snowfall should bring it to almost normal levels after a small amount of snow at the beginning of this winter. Long-term models stick around cold weather. The latest long-term estimates show cold and wet conditions adhere to the surroundings. The 610-day estimated and 814-day estimation continues to show sloping rates towards cold and wetting conditions. Urness has been an open-air reporter in Oregon for 15 years and is the host of Explore Oregon podcast to Statesman Journal. To support their work, find zachsoroutdoors.